Alright, got the sequencer all buttoned up. I've got my clock is now off of my breadboards onto soldered onto my sequencer board. I have my oscillator is all soldered together now off the springs onto, it's all fastened together. It's all one unit now. The amplifier and the power supply are still separate, but they're going to be they'll be part of the whole synthesizer itself, so they're not fastened onto this. I added some caps, some bassy caps here, and some trebly caps. I can add and subtract caps. Capacitors add in parallel, so they're kind of just all in parallel with switches. And I got a little switch mounted over here that enables me to trigger the bass notes when I want, or I can do it with this little switch here, throws in the bass notes, so I can go with or without extra big bass caps, and I can also trigger it right here. So I'm going to put together a little video here, and we'll see if I can make some cool noise. Okay, so I've got a scale programmed in. And I hit the go button. So I can add and subtract in bits into my shift register with my go and clear button. And obviously if I don't hit the clear, it just loops. Speed it up. And change octaves. Starts really getting fun when you play with the different jumpers, taking the jumpers out. I wish I had switches for these, but it would be a lot more fun. But it can really, you can get some really cool patterns going. I just do random patterns, and it starts sounding pretty cool. Let me get one bit in there. Let's slow this down. There it is. It's fun. I'll work on some more cool patterns and record some small videos, edit them all together. So there it is. It's fun.